Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change network in MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, to do so, all you need to do is simply tap on MyEtherWallet from your home screen and type in the pin code to get access to your account back. So once you get access to your account, simply tap on left hand corner where it is written the name of one network. Then you can select any of the network that you want to change it to, and once you follow the step, you can keep on changing to different networks in MyEtherWallet according to your preference. So following this step, you can simply go back to the same network which you was set before, or you can change it into any other options that are provided in it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.